Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and before that concept think discuss. For which value of the acute angle cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4 is true, and for which value of theta lies between 0 to 90 the above equation is not defined. So solution, so you have to take the LCM of this. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is the LCM, and in the numerator you will get cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4. So distributive property apply in the numerator. Cos theta into 1 cos theta plus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta minus cos theta sin theta by 1 minus a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square theta you will get. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 4. So numerator cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. So 2 cos theta by 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta identity is equal to 4. 1 cos theta is cancelled for cos square theta. So cos square into cos square into cos square. Cos into cos gets cancelled. 2 by cos theta is equal to 4. So cos theta is equal to 2 by 4, it becomes 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value in cos is cos 60 degrees. So therefore cos gets cancelled. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. For theta it is for 60 degrees it is true. For 60 degrees, for theta is equal to 60 degrees, it is true. And for which value it is not true means for theta is equal to 90 degrees it is not true. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90 degrees, it is not true. Why it is not true for theta is 90? If theta is 90, what it becomes here? Sin theta, sin 90 becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is infinity, 0. Something by 0 is undefined. So undefined. That's why for theta is 90 degrees, this equation is not true. Next, complementary angles. Complementary angles. Suppose in a right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees. What about the other two angles? Acute angles. So, and what is the sum of their angles? 90 degrees. So, one of the angle is theta. What is the other angle? 90 minus theta. So, ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle let be. Angle A is theta. Then angle C becomes 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So, suppose A plus angle C is equal to what you can write? 90 degrees, as B is 90. So, C is equal to what you can write? 90 minus theta. So, first of all you can consider sine theta. What is sine theta? Theta's opposite side by hypotenuse. So, theta opposite side is BC. BC by AC you will get. And what is cos theta? Cos theta is theta's adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent BC by AB. Remaining I will tell automatically you will get later and you will understand. So next what I am taking, sin 90 minus theta I am taking. That means sin C I am taking. So sin 90 minus theta means 90 minus theta's opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. and cos 90 minus theta I am taking. Cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is cos 90 minus theta adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC, and tan 90 minus theta I will consider. Tan 90 minus theta opposite side is AB by 90 minus theta adjacent side is BC. So AB by BC. From these two, what you can observe, sin theta is BC by AC and cos 90 minus theta is BC by AC. So what you can conclude, both are equal. So sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. In the same way, what you can observe, cos theta is equal to AB by AC, sin 90 minus theta also AB by AC. So cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta. In the same way, what you will get, tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Secant theta is equal to cosecant of 90 minus theta, and cosecant theta is equal to secant of 90 minus theta. So these are the complementary angles, and in the complementary angles you will get like this. Don't confuse with the reciprocals. So in reciprocals, what you will get, sin theta is the reciprocal of cosecant theta, and cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, and cos theta and secant theta, these are the reciprocals. Tan theta and cot theta are the reciprocals. Cot theta are the reciprocals. These are the reciprocals. And these are the complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. So these formulas you have to get thoroughly. Sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta, cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta, etc. So next I'll tell exercise 11.3, second question. Second question 11.3. First bit, tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees, and tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. He asked you to show that. These are the complementary angles. Which are complementary, you have to identify. 45 is complementary to that of 42. 16 is complementary to that of 74. 16 is complementary to that of 74. Out of the two complementary angles, one only you have to change so that you will get the required answer. So tan 48, keep it like that only, and tan 16, you can keep it like that, and I am changing tan 42 as cot of 90 minus 42, and tan 74 as cot of 90 minus 74. So this is equal to tan 48, tan 16 degrees, and cot of 90 minus 42 becomes cot 48 into cot 16 degrees is equal to 1. As you know that tan can be written as 1 by cot, or cot can be written as 1 by tan. Anyway you can write is equal to 1, you have to prove that. So that is equal to tan 48 into tan 16 into 1 by tan 48 degrees into 1 by tan 16 degrees. So here we applied the two formula. Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So this gets cancelled and answer is 1, like that. So out of the two complementary angles, one only you have to change, not all. If you change the both, you will get one more question again without getting solution. Next, cos 36, cos 54 minus sin 36 degrees and sin 54 degrees. This is equal to 0, you have to show that. Next, cos 36 and 54. 36 and 54 are again complementary angles. 36 and 54 are complementary angles. Out of those two, one you have to change. Cos I am changing. Cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. You apply that. So that implies cos 36 becomes sine of 90 minus 36 into cos 54 as it is, minus sine 36 becomes cos of 90 minus 36 into sine 54. Sine 54. That is equal to sine 90 minus 36 becomes sine 54 degrees cos 54 degrees minus cos 90 minus 36 becomes 54 degrees and sine 54 degrees. What do you observe? Sine 54, cos 54. Cos 54, sine 54 means what? Both are the same. Gets cancelled. And the answer is 0. Next. So write the formulas right side of the answer sheet. Answers. Next. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute. 2a is acute. Find the value of a. What is angle A is asking. So here tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. To convert this, I want to change one of the value as again complementary angles. So tan theta I am writing as cot of 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta. So tan 2a becomes what? Cot 90 minus 2a. Cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. A minus 18. Cot gets cancelled. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So variable separable. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a, and 3a is equal to 108. A is equal to 36 degrees. So angle A is equal to 36 degrees. So you have to understand that why I not changed cot and why I changed tan. Because tan has only 2a value and cot has 90 minus 18. Cot also you can change. Cot if you change 90 minus of a minus 18 becomes a plus 18. That simplification becomes difficult. That's why you have to change which one you have to change easily. That you have to think. Next, if tan A is equal to cot B, tan A is equal to cot B, what do you have to prove that? A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Here you can change either tan or cot, both, anyone you can change, no problem, because here no complication is there. So tan you can change. Tan can be written as cot of 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Cot gets cancelled. 90 minus A is equal to B. Transpose the minus A to that side. A plus B is equal to 90. So A plus B is equal to 90. Like that, this question can be asked as sin A is equal to cos B. Like that only secant A is equal to cosecant B. If they ask it like that, like those questions also same procedure you have to do. And fifth question, ABC are interior angles of a triangle. So what is given condition? Angle ABC are interior angles interior angles of triangle ABC. Then what he asked to prove that? RTP is tan of A plus B is equal to A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Cot C by 2. Okay? Tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Here ABC are interior angles they have given. So what solution you can write? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees you can write, since the given condition ABC are interior angles of a triangle and sum of the interior angles becomes 180 degrees. And here we want A plus B by 2. So keep A plus B this side LHS and send a transpose C to that side. It becomes 180 by 180 minus C and divide with 2 on both sides. 2 on both sides. Angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to 180 minus angle C by 2. It becomes 180 minus AC by 2 becomes what? Angle A plus angle B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Now we want tan here. So that's why apply tan on both sides. You have to see that what is there in the LHS that you have to apply, so that automatically you will get RHS value also. Apply tan on both sides. So tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. As already we know that tan 90 minus theta is what? Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So what you can write here? Now what can you write? Tan 90 minus theta as cot C by 2. Cot theta you are right. Cot C by 2. So have you understood what is to be proved? You got it. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Got it. Understood. Next, these are easy and important sums, important models. These are next. Express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45 degrees. Between 0 and 45 degrees. So both he is asking you to represent in the angles of 0 to 45 degrees values. 0 to 45 degrees values. 0 degrees to 45 degrees. So that means you have to apply for both complementary angles formula. So what is sine theta? Cos of 90 minus theta. What is cos theta? Sine of 90 minus theta. For both the terms you have to apply, because both the terms you have to change it to 0 to 45 degrees. So that implies sine 75 becomes what? Cos 90 minus 75 plus sine 90 minus 65. That becomes cos 15 degrees plus sine 25 degrees. Okay.